Ever feel that sinking feeling when you check your bank balance after a trip and see a bunch of unexpected fees? That's exactly what we're here to fix. Welcome back. If you're a traveler, you know dealing with money abroad can be a nightmare of bad exchange rates, foreign transaction fees, and ATM surcharges. But it doesn't have to be. Monzo is a game changer for international travel, and today we're walking through the top settings and advice to make sure you travel smart and fee-free. Setting yourself up for success. First things first, Monzo doesn't need you to tell them you're going abroad. That's right, no more calling the bank. They're built for travel. But there are a few things you should do in the app. 1. The currency killer, always pay local. This is the single most important rule. When you pay by card abroad, the terminal might ask, pay in local currency or your home currency, GBP? Always choose the local currency. Choosing GBP lets the foreign bank apply their terrible exchange rate, a sneaky fee called Dynamic Currency Conversion, or DCC. Monzo gives you the MasterCard exchange rate directly, with no hidden fees, but only if you choose the local currency. 2. Pots are your travel buddy. Use Monzo's Pots feature to set aside your holiday budget. Name a pot, say, Bali Fund, and move your spending money into it. This keeps your travel cash separate from your main account, making budgeting a breeze. Even better, you can set up an instant access savings pot to earn interest on your travel money before you even go. ATM advice and limits. While Monzo is fee-free for card spending, there are limits on cash withdrawals, which depend on your account type and location. 3. Know your cash limits. For most Monzo users, cash withdrawals are unlimited and fee-free within the European Economic Area, EEA. Outside the EEA, there's typically a £200 fee-free limit in a rolling 30-day period. After that, a 3% fee applies. If Monzo is your main bank, or you have a paid-for account like Monzo Plus or Max, these limits are higher. Check your specific limits in the app under Account Fees and Allowances. 4. Avoid the sneaky ATMs. Even if Monzo doesn't charge you, the ATM operator itself might. Avoid standalone ATMs in tourist hotspots and small corner shops. They often charge high fees. Stick to ATMs attached to reputable banks where possible. Also, try to withdraw larger amounts less often to maximize your fee-free limit. Security and smart extras. 5. Freeze your card instantly. If you lose your card or think it's been stolen, don't panic. Go into the Monzo app, tap on your card, and hit freeze. Your card is instantly locked. If you find it, unfreeze it just as quickly. It's an essential security blanket for any trip. 6. Monzo Max for total peace of mind. If you travel often, consider upgrading to Monzo Max. It's a paid account that bundles your banking with worldwide travel insurance and phone insurance. This one setting takes care of most of your travel admin in a single click, no need to shop around for separate policies. By following these 6 simple steps, you can ditch the dread of hidden charges and enjoy the trip, knowing your Monzo account is working hard to keep your money safe and your travel budget on track. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.